Hello there, Riddle kindergartners. Welcome to another video lesson. We've been real busy. We made a snowman last week. We did a Rudolph. I really like that one. We did a shark in the ocean. We did the No David. I love No David. Today we're looking at making a bird ice skating. So it's going to be a cartoon because we know that birds cannot actually ice skate yet. But what we're going to do is my handy dandy note card, and I'm going to make an S. I know that mine looks backwards because it's on the screen here, but it's actually an S turned the right way. It'll work if you make the S backwards as well. Make a line going straight up from the top of that S, and then a line going straight down at the bottom of the S. It almost looks like we're making money. Money, money, money. Next step, and you can hit pause, hit stop if I'm going too fast. I'm going to make a line angle from the top of that line that I made on the top of the S to the point of the S. You might already see what's going on. And next, let's make a little bitty curved line here. That's the bird's eye. The eyes are closed like that, you can see. Next, the bird's mouth is going to open up because the bird is singing. And what I want to do is make another triangle shape for the bottom of the bird's mouth. Or the bird's like trying to eat something. Catch it in the air, catch a snowflake. Next, from the beak, I'm going to come straight down. From the beak, straight down here. Next, I'm going to make a line from where I just left off, and it's going to go right over here. So I made a line from here straight across here. This is the bird's body. There's his head. It's already coming together. I'm going to make another skinny line on the bottom, so that makes two of them together. That's one leg. I'm going to make another leg sticking out this way. And I'm going to make two lines as well. Next, I want to make a little wing. His little arm. Right here, his little arm. And now I want to make ice skates. Some of you may or may not have ever even seen ice skates. You know, I'm just going to make an oval shape for the ice skates. Okay, so I have two ovals. I'm going to put a couple laces on there. Ice skates are kind of like shoes. And then below the shoe is a little bitty piece of metal and then a skinny piece of metal. Show you. So a little bitty line, and then a line, curl. Line, curl. And there's my ice skates. Next, I'm going to draw this guy. He's out skating on a small pond. Draw a curved line that will show me the edge of the pond that he's on. He's happy. He looks happy, don't he? I think he's trying to catch snowflakes. He's skating around trying to catch some snowflakers. What I want to do now, what color do I want this bird to be? I'm going to leave the bird white. I'm going to use a dark blue for the water. Oops. And what color should this guy's? I'm going to color it in a little bit. It's hard, color it in a little bit. real light, real lightly. I'm coloring in this water. There we go. Colored in that water. Good. There's the little pond he's on. Next, I'm going to use some orange. And I'm going to color in his skinny little orange legs. Both of them. I'm going to color in his pointy little beak. Yeah. His shoes. What color do I want his shoes to be? I don't know. I'm gonna make them red. Why? Because I want them to show up. I want to see them. Make his skates red. All red. Look at that. Next, the sky. What do I want to do? I want to use a purple. And the snowflakes are going to be purple. I'm going to make an X. And then put a line. And make an X and then put a line through the top of the X. Then I want to put a line going the other way through the X. I want a line going through the X this way. And then we're going to put little circles or little triangles on each of the little points. Try that. Circles or triangles on the points. Or letter V's work too. There's a couple. And then I'm going to draw some little ones, small ones, medium-sized ones, little bitty ones. Just kind of all over. Looks pretty happy, don't he? I'm going to use a light blue now and just kind of go over my sky. I want it to look finished. I always want my art to look like it's finished. So I'm lightly coloring my sky a little here now. Okay, then I'm going to outline the bird with a black colored pencil. You do not have to do this part. If you don't have colored pencils, don't worry about it. Just try your best. Hopefully you know what the goal is. The goal is that it kind of looks like a bird ice skating. If it looks kind of like a bird ice skating, then you did a great job. Great job. Have I ever seen a bird ice skating before? No. Nope. Nope. But I like it. Here he is. Happy little bird. Seems like he should be singing, huh? I look forward to seeing yours. Post a picture of it, share it, and good luck.